We can use the getitem operation to retrieve a list element. For example, consider this program. In line 1, Python assigns the list 246 to variable numbers. In line 2, Python retrieves the element or item at index 1 of the list numbers, which is 4, and assigns it to x. Let's more closely examine this operation. At time 7, the variables map contains one entry numbers with value Python reference 0, and the object store contains the list 246 at index 0. Python first converts the expression numbers1 to the getitem function call. The expression to the left of the square brackets, which is numbers, becomes the first call argument, and the expression inside the brackets, which is 1, becomes the second argument. Thus, numbers1 is equal to getitem numbers1. Python then evaluates getitem numbers1. At time 8, we can see the getitem function call in the expression stack. As usual, Python first evaluates the function call arguments. At time 9, we can see the arguments numbers and 1 at the top of the expression stack. Numbers is Python reference 0. At time 11, we can see the evaluated arguments 1 and Python reference 0. Getitem is a built-in function, so LWPython executes it in one step instead of jumping to a function. Python reference 0 is the location of the list, and 1 is the list index. LWPython first retrieves the element at index 0 of the object store, which is the list 246. Then LWPython retrieves the element at index 1 of this list, which is 4. Finally, Python pushes 4 to the value stack. The getitem operation is complete. Finally, Python assigns 4 to variable x. Here are the getitem properties. 1. The getitem operation can be converted to a getitem function call. 2. If at time t, the expression stack contains an empty element followed by an element with a getitem function call, and the value stack contains a and Python reference idx, and the object store is os, and the element at index idx of os is values, and the element at index a of values is val. Then at time t plus 1, the empty element and the getitem function call are both popped from the expression stack, and val is pushed into the value stack. The object store remains os.